Hey guys, today let's learn how to enable sensitive content warning on iPhone on the iOS 17 softwares. So if you guys want to go ahead and enable this sensitive content warning in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the settings application. And once you're already here, let's go ahead and scroll down until we see the privacy and security tab. Now I want you to go ahead and enter your privacy and security tab right here. And what I want you to do once you're already on here is to basically change the sensitive content warning settings. So you can actually scroll down until you see this sensitive content warning. And if you want to have this turned on and have this enabled, of course, just go ahead and enable this toggle button, and that should enable the sensitive content warning. So basically that's essentially what you guys need to do to enable the sensitive content warning. You could also go ahead and enable improve sensitive content warning so that the Apple device or the iOS device could track your data and share your analytics to the Apple services so that they could help improve their services for you. But that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one.